Well, so let's have a discussion on Suraksha insurance policy. Of course, this is a new product in the market, but now number of cyber fraud incidents are taking place regularly, and big losses the industrial units have suffered because of these cyber frauds, cyber crimes. So now it is most important to understand what this cyber Suraksha insurance policy provides and what is its coverage, how it can protect the commercial units. So say, first of all, the cyber insurance is to have and to protect financial losses they may incur due to cyber attack. The policy will provide the coverage which includes theft of fund. In that case, the policy will indemnify for any direct and pure financial loss sustained by the unit as a result of unauthorized access to following by third party like bank account, credit card, debit card, mobile wallets. Theft of funds could be there. Secondly, as consequence of phishing and email spoofing, theft of fund could be there, like email spoofing, any forgery or wrongful manipulation of an email, and by phishing, the attempt to obtain sensitive information such as usernames, password, and credit card details. And the third way of causing the theft of fund is a reasonable fee for prosecution of criminal case. Third important aspect of this coverage is a reasonable fee for prosecution of criminal case. These three things are covered under the policy. First of all, theft of fund. Secondly, as consequence of phishing and email spoofing, whatever loss is there. And thirdly, the reasonable fee for prosecution of criminal case will be provided under the policy coverage. Now, there could be identity theft. So, in that case, the policy will indemnify for any direct and pure financial loss sustained by the commercial unit. In that case, the lost wages resulting from identity theft may be there. In that case, 72 hours intimation is required and confirmation from the employer is required. Secondly, reasonable and necessary cost incurred for credit monitoring service, prosecution of criminal case, psychological assistance and treatment is also part of the coverage. Now, the third part of the coverage is data restoration or malware determination. Say, necessary cost incurred by the involvement of an IT expert after a cyber incident to restore your data or to decontaminate or clean your personal device from malware is covered under the policy. Fourth is cyberbullying, cyber stalking, and loss of reputation. This could be by reasonable and necessary cost incurred for civil proceedings against a third party for committing cyberbullying or cyber stalking. Cost of expert for restoration your reputation is also payable. Reasonable fees and expenses for a necessary relocation of a school is payable. And psychological assistance and treatment is also covered under cyberbullying, cyber stalking, and loss of reputation. The fifth part of the coverage is cyber extortion. Cyber extortion means any reasonable and necessary cost to resolve cyber extortion as well as any ransom pay with the consent of the insurance company. Now, sixth part of coverage is online shopping. In that case, policy will indemnify for any direct and pure financial loss sustained by the unit or by any person due to transaction on the internet via payment card, credit card, debit card. Payment card could be both credit and debit card. Secondly, mobile wallet. So you have been dishonestly induced to enter by a third party by electronic means to make a purchase of goods, provided that reasonable attempts to seek a recovery or refund from the third party and or seller. Secondly, fraud event is reported to card issuer, payment service provider or bank or other relevant entity within 48 hours of the discovery. Third, card issuer, payment service provider or bank or other relevant entity refuse and in writing to reimburse you the transaction mode. So that kind of online shopping is also covered under the policy. The seventh part of the coverage is online sale. So under this part, the policy will cover the risk of online sale and will indemnify direct and pure financial loss resulting from you selling non-commercial goods online